It's been a busy week in the markets. The SNB chairman, Philip Hildebrand, stepped down from his position, and we also had the high-importance BOE and ECB rate decisions. Now, there are 163 participants in the strategy contest and over 900 participants in the trader contest. So let's take a look now at the traders contest, movers and shakers, to find out who has propelled up the standings and who has buckled under pressure. Grey Goose has been part of the trader contest for more than a year now, and his persistence is paying off after a great start to the month.
Hey, this is Grey Goose. There's generally no limit to the currency pairs I trade, as it usually depends on where I can find weaknesses and strengths to exploit, but I do always pay special consideration to the commodity pairs and the crosses such as Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro Canadian dollar, and specifically the New Zealand dollar crosses. My trading style is based purely on technical analysis, with price action and supply and demand being at the core of my decision making. Over the coming weeks, I'll be keeping a close eye on statements from the Swiss National Bank in regards to their intentions on the franc's cap being raised to 125. I will also pay attention to Germany's and France's announcements in regard to the EFSF and further bailouts in Europe. But even more importantly, I will be paying attention to news on Chinese debt maturity and US Treasury behavior.
Next up is a trader from Malaysia, so let's hear about his trading strategy.
When I place trade, I'm looking more on the technical side. I look for charts from daily, 4 hours, an hour, half an hour, 15 minutes, and to 5 minutes. Basically, I look for patterns on the bigger time frame. Then I will look for entries close on the smaller time frames, like the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. And basically, I try to swing for 40-50 pips. I don't really see news. I just trade purely on technicals. And I wish all traders good luck for this month, for the first month of the year. Happy Chinese New Year to all Chinese who are celebrating Chinese New Year.
As Aussie dollar continues to move away from parity, Maximised manually closed the position after this pair found resistance at the 135 level, and maximised his profits by gaining 162 pips in the process. GUSMAN was waiting for a daily breakout of resistance and gained 103 pips on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Weaker economic data from the UK has sent the cable downwards, but this trader was there to make himself 201 pips. KIRILLA collected 110 pips on the euro dollar. This trader uses Ichimoku and Heikin Ashi on 4-hour charts to determine entry and exit points. Next week we will hold our monthly Geneva Forex event, and you could be there if you finish in top position in one of the contests. Good luck trading, and goodbye for now.